Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the new Benchmade Gold Class Mini Osborne. This has the same specs and length as the standard Mini Osborne, with that 2.92 inch reverse Tonto blade. Super cool. This has got to be one of the best looking gold classes I've seen in a while. Just super sleek, very clean, and I'm a huge fan of blue. So this uses the Damasteel versus your typical Damascus. And this new pattern is called A-Gear, which I probably butchered the name, but super cool look to it. And it has a what they call an Arctic Storm fat carbon fiber inserts for both of the handles and a really sweet gold backspacer. Has a reversible clip to both sides. Just very sleek. Cutting down the weight to that 2.24 ounces. Super sweet piece. I might be tempted myself. So make sure to get your new Benchmade Gold Class Mini Osborne today at Blade Ops.